What's up, guys? This is Will and I'm back with another video, and today we got a little small poetic lineup right here. Got a couple of cases and a screen protector that was sent out to me by Poetic, so a big shout out to them for providing this for the video. I got some cases for your iPhone 10s Max. So here's the big beast right here, as you can see. So let's take a look at these cases. I'll have a link down in the description if you want to pick them up for yourself. But here's the packaging that it comes in. Poetic always has a nice presentation with their cases. Poetic with love from SF on the front of it. And here's the back of it here, as you can see. So the first case we're going to take a look at is the Poetic Loomis case. This is a clear case, so let's get into it and take a look at it. I like how they have the easy openings on their packaging here. And let's get the case out. So here's the case. This is a clear case, as you can see. So let's get it on the iPhone, then we'll go around it here, check it out. So here's the front view right here of the case. As you can see, nice looking around the front of it, accents the front of it very well. Let's check out the lip on it. Very little lay down protection here, but I do have a tempered glass. As you see, it's playing well with the tempered glass. So you do have a little bit of a lip here. So on this side, since we're on this side here, you got your volume up and down buttons there that are covered. They are raised enough, so if you have your case in your pocket, you can definitely feel it, feel the side of it and know where you are with your case. Nice cutout for your mute switch there. Very easy to access it. Do have a little Poetic branding right here. On the bottom of it, you have a nice precise cutouts for your speaker, microphone, and your lightning port there. And a microphone as well over here. No, it's not a mic over there. I thought I saw a mic there. And then on this side, your power button is raised up a little bit and it's covered, so that's nice. And in the back of it, you do have a cutout for your cameras and flash. Very see-through, as you can see, so you can show off whatever color iPhone you have. So very nice right there. Feels very good in the hand. It definitely makes it where it's not as slippery. So this is a very nice case right here. I love it. Loving the look of it. Definitely will be rocking this one if you want to show off your device. So let's move on to the next one and see what we got. Put that one to the side right here. And the next case, as you can see, same packaging here. So the next case is going to be the Nubuck, Poetic Nubuck. I don't know if I've ever had this case before, so let's take a look at it. Get it out of here. Nothing else in there. Oh yeah, it is something else in there. You got this stuff here, like some people say, the poison for the trolls. Put that away. So put this foam out of here. All right, so this is the Nubuck. First time having this one. Has some type of material on the back of it, but pretty good looking case. Different. Got your Poetic branding right there. So let's slap it on the iPhone and see what we got. So easy installation. Check out the lay down protection. No lip. No lip at all on this one, guys. So this will be laying on your screen protector or your screen if you get this case. So on this side, got a nice cutout for your mute switch. And I can get my big fingers in there pretty easy. Volume up and down are raised. So if you got it in your pocket, you can definitely feel it. Down at the bottom here, you do have your cutouts for your mic, speaker, and your lightning port. You got your power button over here. On the back, cut out for your cameras, flash. And then this area right here is for if you want to use a credit card or something. So I got some old stuff here. We'll just pop this in here. See if I can get one or two of them in there. You can at least get two of them there. So that's pretty good if you want to use it for that. And you can push them down in there pretty far, so they don't seem like they'll come out very easily. Bumpy cam, sorry about that. Let's check the buttons here. So the Let's get it unlocked. So the buttons work good. Power, the volume up and down work well. Power button, same way. So very good look on this Nubuck. This is one I think you put on if you want to head out and head out on the town or whatever. Then that's a good look right there, the Nubuck. So this one over here, I didn't check the, let me check the buttons on this one too. So let's get out of it, get back in it here. So the volume up and down, they work well. Tactile, clicky. Power button works well too. So just thought about it, I didn't check that one. So let's move on. Take a look at the screen protector. Now I already have a screen protector on mine, but we're going to take a look at this. Let's get this open. Don't have an official unboxing knife, but I do have a knife here. So as you can see, tempered glass for the 10X Max 6.5. Let's get that open. Get rid of the knife. And let's take a look at it here. Get that out of there. So here's the packaging. As I said, they always have very nice presentation for their devices and things. So let's get this open. Accessories, I should say. They always have nice presentation for their accessories. So let's get this open. See what's all included with your screen protector here. Nothing else in the box. So you get screen protector accessories here. So let's dig into this and see what we got, what's included. So when my screen protector goes bad, I got an extra one here. So that'll work. So this is a screen protector cleaning cloth, a wet one. You do have a dust removal, and you do get a microfiber cleaning cloth right there. So that's all good in the neighborhood. And let's see what else we got. We get the screen protector. So a tempered glass screen protector here. You can see. Look like it's a full fit. Let's get it here. Take a look at it. So yeah, this would be one kind of similar to the one I have on there. It has a cutout for the notch and everything. So I'll leave a link for all of this stuff down in the description if you guys want to pick it up. So Poetic lineup, 2 cases, tempered glass screen protector. All right, guys, catch y'all in the next video. More videos to come. We're out of here.